Hello mga amigo, mga amiga. Today I'm going to have one minor change on my setup. So I have to apologize for my previous video that it's a mix of Tagalog and English version. And I have a request here from at Faisa Med 3546. He's not a Filipino, but he enjoyed watching our first two videos, and he requested me, if possible, I can speak to English so that he will be able to understand the concept or what we are doing here in our setup. So he wants to learn the whole thing, uh, moving forward from this one until on our advanced setup and configuration. But for today, as what I have mentioned, I'm going to have a minor change on my setup. Uh, Previously, after I've done all the wirings, I realized that it's a bit messy. So I'm going to show it to you right now. So previously, this is our whole setup, and realized the power cables is messy for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all these cables and change it with my DIY. Okay, so stay with me. I will be uh, changing all these cables. So basically, I'm going to remove all these cables because it's what I have mentioned is messy. See, yeah, this one. So this one is this one is for this one. So as you can see, these two cables, it's really occupying a lot of space. So later on, I will be adding more and more networking equipment, and if I'm going to continue having this one, it would be very messy. So put it here. What I did is I purchased a power cord connector from Lazada, and we are going to do unboxing now. So I have here from Lazada the power cord connector. Um, I'm going to add the link below as if you want to follow this kind of setup. So yeah, let me. This was delivered around 2 p.m. this afternoon. And what happened is that, oops. So I am having this so that I will be able to replace this one. Yeah. So instead of having this very long cable, what will happen is that I'm going to replace only. I'm going to have this one short one, so probably it's only about 50 centimeters. Okay. So yeah. But I think there's something wrong with this thing because I order also the plug, but they only give me this female connector. But anyway, I can buy that one, so should not be an issue. Okay, so basically it's something like this, and where is that wire? Okay, I purchased this wire. This is number 14. I think this one is good enough for my setup. Let's see. Where is the thing? So the end product is something like this. It's about 50 centimeters. So let's do a quick test just to make sure that it's not shorted. Okay, it's not shorted. Yeah. So as you can see, I hope this one is visible from your end. So I short the tester, so you can see a bit, meaning to say this is shorted, connected on one end, and then connect. So it's not, there's no beep. So I check on the one side. So this one is connected. It's okay. It's good. The other side, sorry, here connected. It's okay. The other one, it's none. We change here. Nope. The other side. So this particular cable is good. So let me try it. So moving forward, this would be how our setup would look like. So this one is connected to our switch, and the switch connected to our power distribution unit, which is something like this. So for me, it is tidy because there's no more tangled wires all along. So I think I'm going to change this one as well. I find this one very, very messy once we're going to have more and more cable in our setup. So yeah, if you are interested, so so this is how it looks like, guys. So if you're interested, I will be adding the link on where I did, where did I purchase this kind of cable, and then I'll be making more of this thing for my setup. So probably I'll be making 5 of this. I have Oh, sorry, I have four. So I'll be making four. I think it should be enough. So I'll be making four of this, and then so I hope for Faisa Med 3546. Hopefully, for my succeeding video, I'll be able to completely discuss everything on my setup in English so that you'll be able to follow along. Because this is not only for my Filipino colleague, but also for the rest of YouTubers that is looking for content that would help them learn how to set up those servers, switches, and etc. So thank you very much for your comment. And for the succeeding video, I will be discussing on my server. I have I realized that I have 4 terabyte of hard drive, and I want to insert on my server. Um, I will be discussing about RAID. What is the purpose of RAID? What are the different types of RAID? What are the advantages and disadvantages of those different types of RAID? Um, could be what are the applications that you can use for certain type of RAID. So please bear with me. Check my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you'll be updated once I'm going to have a new video, probably in the next few days. Thank you very much, guys, and see you soon. Bye-bye.